Today's video regarding HP Ink Advantage DexJet 3790 printer. So I'm going to show you how to do a quick unboxing and a quick setup. So let's start the unboxing first. Now switch on the printer, press the power button. So once your printer is on, now we go and open the front door so that we can load the ink cartridges. Now once you will see the ink cartridge section is in the middle. Now we open the ink cartridges from the packaging and then we will install them. So just cut them with the scissor or just tear it off and then take the cartridges out. Also remove the orange color chip or kind of seal at the bottom of the ink cartridge. So do it for both ink cartridges in the same way. So here I'll show you, this is the orange seal, you need to remove it. Now insert the ink cartridge at the correct place, color at the color side, black at the black side. Just slide it in and push it inward so that it can, you hear a lock sound, and that's done. And now close the ink chamber. And now check the screen, you will see that the ink cartridge flashing light has stopped, and now you can see the readings as well. So now I'm going to load the pages to do a quick copy test. And there is a one more light on the top you can see, so that is for the page. So now open this side. As you can see, there is a cover here, and slide the loading area upside. Now we can install the A4 size printer pages here. You can also adjust the size, that's the size adjuster. Just slide it up to one end, install the pages. Also remove the output tray, so that is like it comes outside at the bottom. Now to do a copy, now we need to actually scan the page through the scanner, and that is actually on the top of this printer. So we need to hold the page facing upwards and just try to place it correctly in the alignment so that it can go straight in, and it will hold the page once you push it little bit inside. You can also hold it from one side to avoid any falling, and then press the copy button and let the page go in, and then it will scan the whole page and it will print a copy of that. Now it's a very good printer for a wireless printing. If you want to do a lot of copy and scanning, then you might need to think about another printer, because this creates a lot of problem. You need to hold the page correctly every time. Hopefully it will help you. Thanks for watching.